A typical day could range from a lot of different things. It really just depends on where the project is at currently in its process. It could go from setting up the model to implementing the updates that need to be done to the model that it's scoped for. I'd probably say that's one of the perks of this job, is that not every day is the same. Whenever we get a model in, we get it in the form of a back file. We set that model up through certain instructions that we have detailed from our boot camp whenever we go through training. From there, we set up the model in existing conditions, and then we implement those updates based off of what the model is scoped for, either pole replacement, anchor replacement, crossarm replacement, anything of that nature. After we make those changes, it goes through an internal QC process where one of our experienced engineers or designers looks over it, makes sure that you didn't miss anything and any updates that you need to make. After that, it goes through an external QC process where we have external QC where they look over the model, see if there's anything that we missed, and then after that, it gets officially submitted. So as far as the modeling process is concerned, the designer engineer does a bulk of the work, but there is a lot of collaborative processes with team leads or other experienced engineers that could help you at any point in the process to make sure that you're getting your stuff out on time, or any sort of like super niche question that you have is answered. So yes to teamwork, but a lot of it is also independent as well. My favorite part about working at Ampirical is the culture. I had a couple internships in college that went well, but it made me sort of nervous to work in the real world, and almost made me kind of nervous to start an engineering gig. But as soon as I got here, I could tell it's just completely different working here. The people that Ampirical have brought in, they've done a great job at making it a really healthy environment to work in my opinion. Any advice I'd have for anybody coming here would be to ask any question that comes to your mind. Don't wait to think about it, because if you can build a good foundation of your knowledge, it's only going to help in your future working here.